Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to be making a avocado sauce in my little blender, my Ninja blender, and I cut up all the ingredients already, which is, by the way, organic. I will start with my garlic. I love garlic, you guys. A lot of people don't, so just don't put that much. My cilantro, just get everything prepped and ready just to blend. And also my avocado, they were getting a little bit old, so I had to hurry up and use them. And I went ahead and squeezed some lemon inside, and everything is to taste. So for me, and a cup of water for it to blend and not be too lumpy, and a little bit of seasoning, which is salt, my black pepper, and also I will be using turmeric. I try to put turmeric in everything, you guys, and my Marie Shop hot sauce, which I think is a green hot sauce, habanero pepper sauce, and I put that in there. And again, after you're done blending, you could go ahead and add more to it if needed to. So I use my Ninja to go ahead and blend the ingredients together and make sure if you need to add or take out any, or add more liquid or add more of any ingredients, which, by the way, I wanted more avocado, but my husband bought the avocado for my son in order to make avocado and guacamole. So I love this consistency. And today I think I'm going to buy some avocado in order to add one more to it. And again, I put this on my egg. I had made my, veggies and egg, and I just put this as a dressing up top, which is a healthy dressing for your salads. My son ate it yesterday with baked chicken, and at the side he just dipped it in and ate it because we try to do a low carb days and stuff like that. So it can go as anything, you guys. It was nice, it was easy to make and simple, and it gave a little bit of flavoring, especially when you can't eat sugar and you're trying to stay away from carbs. This is what's left after I finish. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator in a little container. Well, thanks for supporting me, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so you could get more videos as soon as I put them up.